So as you can see, we are having some fun today. These kids need to do these Valentine's boxes. And my baby, she's a little sad because she's going to be leaving for a few days for the first time in months. The twins, they are in preschool, and so the preschool class requested that we do Valentine's Day boxes. So these are these cool little boxes. Basically, we're going to make them, and then they can put all their Valentine's treats from their friends and stuff in there, which I think is a great idea. And since the twins are doing it, of course, we can leave Quinty out. So I told him we can do him one too. So we're doing these for all three of the kids. Are super excited. Valentine's Day is tomorrow. Yay.
Let's make a party first.
And these are things that I just love being about a bonus mom because, you know, I've already had my daughter and we did things like this many years ago, but now with them I get to start over and enjoy all these little things. And kids are so sweet. I love loving on them and they love on me. We cuddle, we do activities, we play. It's so fulfilling.
First, are you going to make a hole and then wrap my Good job, Mom.
And y'all are going to get to decorate them yourselves with stickers. But save somebody else some stickers too. Don't use them all.
You mean Quinty?
Well, Miles really.
He's ripping a box.
That boy.
He's tearing up a box just now. Oh, yeah,
See, doesn't it look like a piece of candy? Oh, no. I gotta finish putting the tape on the other side.
Well, it's not used for anything yet. It wasn't even used for anything. Need a pink butterfly. That looks so pretty. Well, not that one. This owl looks so pretty.
For your box?
Yes. Our box is right there. Quinty, no. Pick my Need a pink butterfly. That looks so pretty. Well, not that one. This owl looks so pretty. I can here. All right. This is different now. It's Mouses. Mouses is so great.
They're all great. Y'all did a good job.
Did I do a very good job and Mouse did?
Okay.